Para sa may kapamilya sa Pinas, tuloy ang gift giving.
Okay, open up.
Open na, dali.
Wish ko, magkasama tayo.
Open, baby.
You open that. You open that. You open
Open,
that.
see, look at Diana.
CBN.com.
Open again.
Ate will
Send the
open
gift to your
this,
family
okay?
in the Philippines through the Pamilya Gift Together. Malayo ka man, together tayo. Isang regalo. Buo ang pamilya ngayong Pasko sa hatid na regalo.
Wow!
Let me see.
Alexa, you got a book.
Let me see, Yana.
Open it. You can
Alexa,
open
you
it.
have a book.
Harap mo.
Wow.
Don't open it for her.
It's cold.
It's okay. It's okay. No. Bob.
Kasi kagabi, sabi ko, huwag mo nabuksan. Wala na ba yun sa kanya? Wala na ba yun sa kanya? Wala na ba yun?
Bob. Look. It hurts.
Wow! Santa went over there? Oh man.
Ariana.
Let me see that, Yana. Wow.
Wow! You like that?
You can open this, Yana. Look on. You can look inside. Yeah. Yeah.
Open it.
Open, Yana. Open mo na lahat.
No, this one. Akin na. Akin na.
Liwanag para sa
Akin na. No, give me that.
kababayan.
That this one.
Magkakaroon ng kapamilya
Wow! Alexa, I have a book.
What you can do?
Who gave it to you, Santa?
There's a dog in there. Nana, doon ka na. Bumalik ka na.
Yeah, galing.
Yana, buksan mo pa iba.
mong bumili o magpadala ng parol na ito sa pamilya mo sa Pilipinas. Just visit CBN Store.
Naman si Alexa, binuksan na lahat.
Nana.
Ang proceeds nito ay
Wow, what is that? Wow, galing, oh.
ibahagi natin ang ating blessings upang patuloy na lumiwanag ang mundo sa kwento ng Pasko.
Wow, what's that? Wow!
Like Yana.
Yana!
Like Yana.
Wow, like Yana.
Open it.
Wow, that's nice.
Mommy.
What's that? Now. Wow.
Let me see yours, Lexa.
Wow, galing.
Nice. Barbie.
What's that? What's that, Yana? What's that? Wow, what's that? What's that?
What's that, Yana?
Oh, you can write on the board.
Ay, chuchulat.
May chuchulat ka.
Right in the bar.
Yeah.
Alexa has.
Where's her?
We're going together.
Yeah, go get, yeah, what, yeah.
We're going together.
Oh, Papa, sumasaya. You're happy? Are you happy?
Yana.
How about Yana? Yana, you're happy?
Hindi pa naghihilamos.
Let me see. Alexa, Alexa. Alexa,
What's that?
you have Oreo?
Alexa, you got another present.
Oh, Yana, there's another one there, Yana.
Alexa, you got another present.
Thank you, Nina. Dami yung kalat.
Pit niyo yan, ah. Ang bagal niya naman magbukas.
Ay, Yana, malis ka dyan.
Join the school clubs offered this year.
Daming present.
I hope that through these clubs, you
Wow, that.
Wow. Ang bagal nila magbukas yung nagbilis eh.
Kaya nga eh.
Ay, ganinanamnam niya yung pagbubukas eh. How about you? What you got last night?
This Barbie set that I got last week.
No, I bought this, but
What's that? Wow, you like
What's that? Oh, Hello Kitty!
Hello, Kitty, wow. Alexa,
How about
too.
Lexa?
Wow, coloring!
yeah, now you have to buy crayons. Daddy forgot to buy
Let me
crayons.
see.
Yun na lang daw provide nyo.
Daddy forgot to buy crayons.
Wala, yung sinabi ko, itong, kala ko, libro lang kasi ito.
Let me see yours, Lexa. Wow.
Ganito mo yan. Ah.
And look at mine.
Wow!
Wow.
Wow, what's that?
Wait.
Oh my
Headband.
God.
Oh, wear it. Put it on your head.
Baby.
Yeah, you all have the same.
Oh my
Even the
God.
clothes.
Yeah,
Mhm.
yours-
Ang husay maglagay, oh.
yeah.
Oh.
Wow, Alexa too. Look.
Nice.
Wow, nice.
The twins.
No.
Wow.
Twins lang sa head, but triplet. Pati ikaw.
Yes.
Oh, open
Give
some
me
more.
the thing.
At
The
least I got
Dali,
one
nakakangalay
other
na.
one I can
Yan, nabilis. Buksan mo pa.
Ayan
Meron
na.
ka pa.
yan pa.
Alexa,
Unless it
finish.
doesn't have anymore. Oh,
Did you give Mama's present?
I don't know where it is.
It's on the top of the water, like the air conditioner. It's on the top. It's the white bag. When you enter the door, it's on the left side. Oh, kita yung ano mo.
It's the white bag. I
Wow,
thought it
Alexa,
was
oh.
this.
Ganda.
Wow, let me see you, Lexa. Smile.
Yana, faster.
Ay, smile ba yun? Smile.
Not only that, you
Ano
guys
ba y-
gonna eat with the
Yana,
Mickey,
make
with
it
the
fast.
cat.
Oh, si Mare, ano? Ngayon siya nagpunta sa LA, ay sa San Diego.
Wow.
Weekend, di raw siya pupunta.
Ah, sinabi niya?
Loud.
Ha?
Yeah, Santa.
Ang tinanong ko kunyari nasaan siya.
There's no more? The big one, Yana. The big one. The big one gift.
Ayun po, this one too. Ang bagal mo naman.
Oh my God.
Yun
Let me
tapos
see that,
na.
baby. Wow, let me see that one.
Oh my gosh, you got all of those?
Wow, book. Alright.
Rudolph?
What's this?
Let me see that.
What's this?
I left all the small things in my bag. And here's from
Give me.
And here.
Give it to Mama.
Wow.
Oh, yo. Tita.
Yan, yun.
Yeah,
The small one
nice.
there from Tita Sel, the small bag
ba yun?
there is for Tita. Kay Mama. Kay Mama.
Ayan. Bag.
Yana, make it fast. Open the red one.
Yeah,
There.
faster. Bukas pa New Year na, hindi pa tayo
7 minutes
nakakatapos.
38 now.
New Year na, hindi ka pa nakakapagbuka.
Okay,
Wow,
sirain
again?
mo na.
Mommy.
Go.
Tito.
No pillow.
The small bag. The small
Tapos
bag
yan
like
kay, ano,
this.
kay Alexa?
No.
Tapos yan kay Alexa?
Ay, kagabi siya nagbukas eh. Di ba kagabi siya nagbukas ng mga regalo rin?
Hindi si Alexa.
Tapos na siya.
Yeah. That's for mommy.
No, from her mom. It's from her mom.
Binalot po, alam niya na alaman. Nakita niya na yan.
Kaya pala hindi
Sinukat
excited.
pa eh.
Kaya pala hindi excited. Hindi ka gaya nung nakita maliliit eh. Wow! Ito parang,
Got a lot of presents,
Nice. Oh, finish?
ano sabihin mo?
Thank you.
And what? Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, dance Gangnam Style first.
Ah, dali, dali. Dance muna kayo.
Oh, dali.
Alexa, dance.
There you go, Alexa.
Ah,
Wow!
Sexy lady. Sexy lady.
Ah, ano yun? Ano yun?
Oh, sexy lady. Okay,
Oh,
thank
that's
you.
it. Ah, sige na.
Merry Christmas.
Galing.